The current pandemic has changed the dynamics of all businesses. So, how do you create multiple incomes now? It's by understanding a few points which I'll cover in this short video. Hi, I'm Meena Dayal. I've been a business coach for 10 years, and my involvement with media has been right from print media to social media. I decided to create this video after a short discussion on Twitter where someone had highlighted the confusion regarding multiple streams of income. See, multiple income is interesting to everyone, but it also remains a pipe dream for many. The main reason is that no one teaches the details of how to create multiple incomes. Most information you see is the kind where the cart is put before the horse, meaning to say that you find someone telling about how they have created multiple streams of income for themselves, but don't give you a model that can be replicated by you. I'll try to make this confusion clear with a series of videos on this topic. So, subscribe to the channel and make sure you get all the future notifications. Let's begin by understanding the difference between multiple streams of income and multiple sources of income. Both are called MSI in short, and I feel this is the reason for confusion. Multiple sources of income are basically the income sources you create which are unrelated to each other. For instance, if you are an educationist, executive, consultant, or a business owner, and you decide to invest a certain portion of your income in real estate, it can start generating you rental income. So, your real estate investment becomes a new source of income for you, which is totally unrelated to your core area of work or business. This is an example of creating multiple sources of income. Multiple sources of income are mainly created through well thought out investments. Creating multiple sources of income is good for all the people who have extra cash, which they can invest in various enterprises. The second thing is creating multiple streams of income. This is mainly done through diversification of your core area of competency or work. Like, for instance, if you are an executive and you start doing some consultancy work related with your own field of expertise and build it up to start giving you steady stream of income. Then you also start writing books, creating online courses, and build yourself as an authority figure in your field. All these start giving you good income as well. Since all of these income streams are from the diversification of your core competency, they can be called multiple streams of income. Creating multiple streams of income is very good for all the people who have an abundance of specialized knowledge in their fields. In this pandemic, it's a great opportunity for all the people who may not have extra cash but have lots of knowledge. I've seen people who have no prior selling expertise and experience and who are not even interested in selling, creating drop shipping websites, dabbling with affiliate marketing and Amazon FBA and social media marketing only because they see others doing all this. Then they get overwhelmed with all the additional skill sets that these areas require them to possess before they can even start producing any real income. The resultant is failure, lots of sunken investments, dejection, and a pipe dream of creating MSIs. So it's important for you to understand the basic differentiation between multiple sources of income and multiple streams of income so that you can decide what suits your needs and then take action accordingly to create your own MSIs. If you have any questions, to ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you. More on MSIs in the later videos. Keep moving forward.